let's keep the laughs coming. How about we tackle a hot topic that never really cools down: social media? Starting the routine. Social media overload. So let's talk about social media for a second. It's like that cooking show where they throw a bunch of ingredients together, and you have no clue whether it's going to be a Michelin star dish or something that smells like it came out of the neighbor's dumpster. I mean, do we even need another platform? Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok? Snapchat's like I'm trying to juggle chainsaws while taking selfies and I keep dropping one. I logged onto TikTok recently, and suddenly I'm being bombarded by videos of people doing flips in their living rooms. Flips! I can barely flip my mattress without needing a chiropractor. And the dances, everyone's dancing. I tried to learn a TikTok dance. Look at me. Just a 32-year-old, trying to move like I'm not wearing knee braces. I got dizzy watching the tutorial. By the time I was done, I needed a nap, a snack, and about 8 more episodes of whatever's trending. On Netflix, personal anecdote. Comparing lives, but let us talk about our favorite part, the highlight reels that social media serves up. You ever scroll through Instagram and feel like everyone is living their #best life? You see that couple with their perfect beach bods, and you sitting on your couch with a pack of cookies, thinking, if only I spent as much time exercising as I do scrolling. And you know what's the worst? Every single time you take a picture for the gram, you check to see if you look good. When I was younger, all I wanted was to capture the moment. Now it's like, maybe if I turn my head 17 degrees to the left and don't breathe, I'll look less like an average potato. The illusion of real life plus social media creates this illusion of connectivity, right? I mean, I've got 500 friends on Facebook realistically. Only 2 of them I'd trust to help bury the body. Not that I'm planning anything, but you know what I mean. And why do we have to have shared meal photos? I had this friend who put a picture of her salad online like it was Michelangelo's David. I looked at my dinner of instant ramen and thought, this just doesn't match up. I mean, have you seen the ingredients that go into those salad bowls? I just want to know when having my life together includes spending $12 on organic arugula. My paycheck runs on ramen and regret. Wrapping it up. Moderation is key, so as we all struggle with social media, let's remember, moderation is key. We need to reconnect with the real world, so go have a conversation with someone face to face instead of through a screen. You know, like, hey mom, thanks for my 40th birthday post that says he's living the dream. Meanwhile, I'm in my room in pajamas, wondering if that dream involves social media overhauls. In the end, don't let social media turn you into a potato in a sea of avocado toasts. Live your life like a real person, eating real food, maybe some chocolate chip cookies, and forgetting to take a picture because you were too busy having a good time. Thank you all for listening. Remember, chins up, phones down. You're all fantastic.